Hello guys, this is your boy Eric Handy and welcome to my channel. Today I'm taking you through the process of how to make use of the foreign stamping machine. This stamping machine is used for stamping of your leathers and your leather, whether it's shoe, leathers, and to give you your brand to be well positioned on it. So I'll be taking you through the process. But before I go into that, I want to introduce some of this parts to you. This stamping machine has various parts, and this part is called the side for the element. So the red light is carrying the element. The element is what makes the machine hot. The element is what makes the machine hot. We also have the handle. I hope you can see this handle very well. This is the handle. We have the handle, and we also have this. This is the regulator. The regulator. Now this light you can see here indicates that the machine is off, and when it turns on, it shows that the machine is on. Can you see the green light? So the machine is currently off for the moment. All right, so we will be test running this, showing you exactly how it works and how we make use of it. So the next thing I'm going to be doing right now is to switch on the machine. All right, so I'm putting this machine on 100 degree. Now there's different degrees of the regulator, which indicates how the level of the hotness. So you put it 100, 200, 300, and 400. 400 is the highest. So the more you want it to be hot. So I always try to put my in 100, so because I don't want it to get too hot. So we're gonna get in a pieces leather to try this out. All right. So as you can see, the light has turned green. So the moment it gets hot to a certain level, and it's to the degree at which you switch it, the light automatically turns red. Rather, the light automatically turns red. So we're gonna be trying this out with. There are various stamps here. These are stamps. There's customized stamps for different brands. So in case you want to make your customized stamps, you can reach out to us on the number that you're seeing on your screen. Okay, so these are different stamps that will be test run in here with our leather. So I'll be picking up a piece of leather, and let me cut this out. Let me cut this out. So this is a piece of leather. So now look at this. The level of this steel, I need something to just hold onto it so it can come up a bit. Okay, so I'm gonna be trying this first. Whichever one you want to try this. So let's try this first. Okay. So the next, be careful with this because this place is hot. So you need to be careful when we stamping. This side now is hot. So I'm not gonna be touching that side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply pressure on it, holding it down a little bit, and I'm applying pressure on it. I'm going to hold it down for some few, maybe say a minute or two. So hold it down for a minute or two. Now, if you don't hold it down, if you just put it down there just like that and remove it, it's not going to show very well. But when you put pressure on it and you press it down, you see that it's going to show. That's going to be very beautiful. So let's press it down a little bit. So then once we're satisfied with this, then I'm just gonna try this and check out came out. So guys, wow, can you see how it came out so beautifully well? Beautiful. So let's try it on another piece of leather so it can be more visible. So we're gonna be now, this stamping machine is hot now, so you need to be careful with it, so you won't just hold it. So it's hot now. So it's hot. The stamping machine is hot now, so you don't just hold it anyhow. And this, remember that this is also hot. So let's try it again on this. All right. So as you can see, I'm applying pressure, holding it down very well for let's say a minute or a minute plus, just to hold on to it very well, so that it's gonna show very well. So when you apply more pressure on it, you see that it shows. So some people just reach out to me and say, "Oh, I stamped my leather, but it did not show." That's because you did not apply pressure and you didn't hold it for some minutes. Okay, so let's see how this comes out. Now see this very well. This came out very well, beautiful. So let's try another stamp. This is another stamp, as you can see. This is another stamp, another design, another brand. So we're gonna try it beside. Okay, so Let's go. Just repeat the same thing. You can see that the green light is on already back. That's to show me that, oh, maybe it has already gotten cool and I need to get a little bit hot again. But remember that this helmet here is hot, so be careful not to touch that part because that part is very hot, so you won't hurt yourself. So you can adjust in case you see a particular part that the stamping machine is not, I mean the helmet is not covering. You can adjust it and just position it very well. Please remember to apply pressure. When you're applying pressure, please be very careful. Okay, so let's see how this turns out. Now this is what I'm talking about. Can you guys see? I hope you can see. It's so lovely, so lovely. This is beautiful. So we're going to try it also on the other pieces of leather that we have. Let's try also on this piece of leather that we have. All right guys, so as you can see the way I'm applying my pressure on it, so this is the way you're going to apply pressure on it. When you apply pressure on it very well, it's going to work out and come out very well. So I'm going to hold it down for a bit, and once I'm satisfied with the holding and I'm just maybe a minute or a minute plus, I release the handle, then check this out carefully, and this is what we get. Okay, can you see the first one and can you see the second one? You can see that it's showing clearly, beautifully well. So we can also, this is my stamp, this is my logo, so let me show you very well. So you can see that everything is perfect, and this is a genuine an original leather stamp. So, and this machine, I love this machine so much because it has a spring. The spring is helping me to adjust. You can see I'm to adjust very well. That's the reason why I love this much. Okay, so here we go, guys. Here we go. Apply my pressure on it very well. Holding down to it. Please hold down to it a little bit. Please be careful of this helmet. This helmet is very hot. Please be careful of it. So once you take it out a bit, then we're good to go. Can you see? How you can see it. I will also try to, let me try it on the black leather. You can use it on any leather that you want, on any color of leather that you want. It's gonna show. So holding in the applying pressure. I'm applying pressure right now on it. Wow. So here we go. I think this is okay. So I'm gonna release it. Once I release it, then you can see this is lovely. 1, 2, 3. Those are the 3 stamps that we stamped, and you're good to go. So that's how to make use of your stamping machine. Once you're done, you can just put it back to the red light, unplug it, and you're good to go. So guys, remember that this is hot, so you can allow it to cool off before you put it back where you need to put it. Thank you for watching. I hope you're able to learn something in this video. I'll see you in my next post. God bless you.